Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question on calculator used for ACT math. So, in this video, the question I have here goes like this: how can I use the TI-84 to solve systems of equations? Okay, I think to answer this question is better I show you the video to watch than to explain. But let me just explain, and I will still show the video to watch to have a better understanding on this. Okay, so how can I use the TI-84 plus to solve systems of equations? Okay, actually to do this, one of the ways you can follow is to graph both equations and use the intersect feature to locate the point where they meet, or you can use the polynomial solver to solve problems on systems of equation. Now I have a typical video on this. Let me show you. When you come to this is my channel, come to the playlist. Okay, so when you come to the playlist, you'll navigate down. Let me show you the right playlist to go for. Okay, so look at this playlist I'm pointing out. Easy steps were 36. So as you can see, showing 51 lessons inside. So when you open this playlist, you're going to see, and let's open it. I hope the video is not going to play. Okay, so when you open this playlist, you see couples of videos. Let me pause this. Okay, so as you can see, where I'm navigating, you see tons of videos in this playlist, but there's one I will recommend when you come here. This one that is a 2-hour video. Okay, the only ACT Maths Test Prep 2026 calculator tricks you ever need, 34 plus. So guys, I recommend this 2-hour long video. Just take your time to go through it. It shows you everything you need to know. It's compressed all these 50 videos into one video, so you just watch everything at once at a stretch. So go through it. You will see all the tricks you ever need for 34 plus for ACT Maths, or you can choose to go through small these short version videos. Okay, and either one will serve you. Okay, so this is how to go about this. I hope I answered this question correctly for you. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here, and I see you in the next video.